we will start the tour of this entire plot. So what we will do is that so this is the north, this is north where you have already an half acre, and this is an acre of property that is already sold to someone else. So essentially the property would start, let me start with this pole. Yeah, it will start here. You can see these lines, straight lines. Okay, and this is a road. When we come in the road, we go here. It depends on where you put your entrance, and then we take a tour. We'll go left to right, saying Shri Ganesha Darushir. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Namaste Ganapataye. Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi. Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi. Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi. Tvameva Kevalam Artasi. Tvameva Sarvam Kalvitam Brahmasi. Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam. Ritambra Satyam Vachmin Avatvam Avavaktaram Avashrodharam Avadhataram Avadhataram Avanuchanam Avashishyam. So this is basically the natural waterway, what we call as Vodam in Tamil. So this comes, so it's just behind us beautifully. And if you look at strategically the location of this part, both that 1 acre property and this half acre, this is very close, and there's a small pathway where there's a farmer who's doing farming. When you get down, you have this beautiful streams. If they can be redirected, they can be very joy giving. Okay. Ava Pakshadat, Ava Purastat, Ava Uttaratat, Ava Dakshinatat, Ava Chodhatat, Ava Dharatat, Sarvato Maham Pahi Pahi Samam, Tvam Vangmayastvam, Chinmaya, Tvam Anandaya, Stvam Brahmaya, Tvam Satchitananda Jidhiyo Asi, Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi, Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayo Sarvam Jagaditam Dhatu Chayate. So if you see, this is the end of the property. This is the okay, it's not the end. So we also have an opportunity to have a small slope, so it can become your natural pond. I don't know if you were able to see. Okay, inge varakuma. Okay, okay, in the stick. Okay, so this is the end of the property. So if you see, there is a natural slope in the stick, on the stick, to cross over. Okay. Sarvam Jagaditam Dvattu Jayate, Sarvam Jagaditam Dvattattishtati.